everyone and welcome back to our channel. This is a new portion of all of the news that Zoho has made in its software for the last 2 months. And there was a lot. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button because we produce tons of useful content for you. And if you have any questions about Zoho implementation, integration, or service, you can always book a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experts by the link down below. And now let's get on with the video. As always, obviously, we will start off with Zoho CRM, a core of every business. There has been a lot of different updates in Zoho CRM, but one of the most major ones is Canvas in Zoho CRM, which helps you to customize how the CRM system looks like. So the Canvas module view revamp is now available for all of the users of Zoho CRM, offering a more powerful and customizable design suite called the Canvas Builder. This upgrade enhances data accessibility, user productivity, and allows for personalization of the Zoho CRM to match brand guidelines. The revamp includes 3 module views: custom list view, tile view, and table view, catering to different types of data representation. Administrators and users with appropriate permissions can create and manage Canvas templates through the list of the view and customization settings. And there's also new components of the builder. There's data component, elements, and styles component in Canvas Builder. Next update is color and order preferences in Blueprint transition. To improve process compliance and user adoption, you can now set color codes for transitions in Blueprints, making it easier for users to understand possible outcomes at each stage. Additionally, you can reorder transition buttons on the record detail page, organizing them based on your process needs. These enhancements aim to enhance the user experience, simplify navigation, and ensure smoother execution of transitions in your company's processes. And there's also 2 new enhancements in Zoho CRM for all users. New filter criteria for user fields, allowing for contextual results based on user roles and groups, and the ability to view associated groups on the user's information page. These updates provide more flexibility and improved visibility for filtering records and understanding user association within groups. Zoho also introduced CRM's new email configuration packed with exciting features and improvements. These highlights include modern authentication support for Microsoft Office 365 and Outlook, email backup for IMAP users, sales inbox support for POP3 users, with improved email workflows and enhanced UI for easier configuration. You can now also associate emails with deals and leverage Zia's AI capabilities for capturing information, suggesting subject lines, and analyzing sender intent and emotion. The next app on the list is Zoho Books, and for all of the bookkeepers out there has been a lot of updates made there too. So here's the summary of what's new in Zoho Books for July 2023. Corporate tax ready for United Arab Emirates. New allocation methods for landed costs. 2 new allocation methods, dimensions, and weight are available when added landed costs to the items in Zoho Inventory add-on. Regional language support in India and Global Edition. Additional fields and transfer orders. You can display additional information such as amount, total in words, HSN, and place of supply in transfer orders. These fields can be hidden or show based on your preference. There have been also design enhancements. Timesheet module now includes a calendar view, and the Invoices module also allows you to drag and drop file import. And also, payments can now be recorded for automated sales order cycle invoices or marked as sent. Google Shopping integration can now be deleted directly from the integration list page. If we're talking about the finance, we can also move on to Zoho Invoice and see what's new is in this app. So Zoho Invoice has introduced several highly requested updates to enhance the invoicing experience in second quarter of 2023. The highlights include the customer balance summary report for tracking pending payments, and new default system preference for tax routing, the ability to apply flat discounts on tax-inclusive items, and mobile app updates, including a dedicated edition for Kenya, customizable line item order for iOS, and support for sales recipients modules on Android. And now let's move on to also one of the most popular apps of Zoho, which is Zoho Creator, and there have been so many different updates. Let's wrap them up. So, Zoho Creator had announced several upcoming features and enhancements to improve the platform functionality and user experience. These include support for OCR AI models with PDF file compatibility, the introduction of page scripts and page variables for enhanced customization, the release of API version 2.1 with new capabilities and updates, the reintroduction of custom sorting and groups of records, improved export options for user details, dissimilar formatting options for numeric fields, integration of ZA Assistant powered by OpenAI for intuitive application and form creation, the introduction of custom APIs for tailored solutions, MFA for portal users, system integration for managing integrations with other Zoho services, batch processing for large data tasks, the ability to set values for fields when adding new parent record, data collection during blueprint transitions, focus tasks in Deluge for efficient data entry, and tab index navigation for streamlined form filling. These features will be rolled out gradually between Q3 and Q4 of 2023. Some other new features in Zoho Creator include portal session timeout, advanced email analytics, double check before form submission, import huge CSV files, logged in user connections, cancel button in the edit record, composite fields, link names of subfields, and users of Zoho Creator will soon have access to portal page customization, allowing them to personalize the appearance of their portal pages to align with their organization's branding. Also, Google Analytics integration for portals will provide valuable insights into the performance and usage for portal pages. Users can also now associate their Zoho Analytics account with Zoho Creator, allowing them to leverage the combined capabilities of both platforms. Additionally, Zoho Creator is enhancing the security of public forms by introducing a tool to detect suspicious activity and prevent unauthorized access. And next one on the list is Zoho Inventory. Let's see what's new is in this app. So Zoho added support for cross-origin resource sharing, allowing users to access Zoho Inventory APIs from different domains. The option to override tax amounts in purchase transactions was introduced. Additionally, users can now override custom rates for items while importing price lists. We already talked about, but Zoho have added 2 new allocation methods for landed costs, weights, and dimensions. Zoho Inventory also now supports 5 new regional languages in the India and Global editions. Users can change the language in organization profile settings and update the font in templates for the changes to take effect. And furthermore, e-way bills can now be created for bills of supply, enabling users to generate e-way bills for transactions with amounts exceeding 50,000 rupees. Obviously, analyzing your business is very important, so let's move on to all of the updates that have been made in the last 2 months in Zoho Analytics. So Zoho Analytics has introduced several new features and enhancements. Firstly, the Advanced Analytic Connector for live agents enables users to analyze support processes, identify bottlenecks, and optimize resource allocation. Custom role management allows users to create personalized roles tailored to their specific needs, providing more control over data sharing. Users can now embed reports from Tableau in Zoho Analytics portals, enhancing collaboration and decision-making. The what-if analysis feature has been updated to apply specifically to forecasted data. Ask-ZA-generated reports can now be easily added to dashboards. And lastly, SQL query grammar-based suggestions simplifies the creation of query tables by providing suggestions of keywords, table names, and column names. Next one on the list is customer service app, Zoho Desk. So Zoho Desk has introduced a new enchantment that allows users to create custom lookup fields in tickets, contacts, and account modules. Custom lookup fields are additional fields that can be tailored to meet specific business needs and are compatible with Blueprint for seamless information flow. The benefits of custom lookup include streamlined data selection, easy creation of related records, and auto-filled field values. Users can perform basic configurations such as establishing relationships, searching and sorting records, customizing suggestion pop-ups, creating subtabs, and personalizing tooltips. Advanced configurations include pre-filling values from a related module, setting filter criteria, and creating new records in the related module. Zoho Desk has also introduced feature updates in instant messaging module. There are changes in WhatsApp conversation-based prices. Charges are now based on per 24-hour conversation in WhatsApp business platform. Blended conversation bots can assist agents by handling common questions and transferring complex issues to human agents. Also, WhatsApp template category update. The previous template categories have been condensed into 3 categories: utility, authentication, and marketing. Automatically close abandoned conversations. Conversations can be set to close automatically after a specified period of inactivity. Meta mandates OTP buttons for authentication templates. Starting from May 2023, new created authentication templates must include one-time password OTP button. And IM availability in Japan. Instant messages channels including WhatsApp, Telegram, Line, and WeChat are now available in the Japan data center. And Zoho Desk has introduced an enchantment in macro rules to improve visibility settings. There is user-based visibility. Agents can now only view relevant macro rules based on their daily activities. Macros automation, relevant macros display. Macro rules will be displayed only to agents who require them for specific actions. And availability rules, admins can set visibility settings for macro rules. We already talked about Zoho CRM, but there's also a CRM for small business, which is Zoho Bigin, and there have been some enchantments in there. So let's see what enchantments Zoho prepared for us. So Zoho Begin's enchantments include record storage. Users can now view the organization's maximum record storage usage, including the total number of records used by both organizations and individual users. Rearranging sub-pipelines. Users can now rearrange sub-pipelines according to their preferences, providing more flexibility in organizing and managing pipelines. And profile permission for files. Separate permission settings for files are now available. Allow admins to control users' access to view, upload, and delete files within records. And the last app that I want to talk about is Zoho Campaigns. All of the email marketers can be very excited about all of the updates made in there. First of all, a new feature that allows admins to create separate spaces with Zoho Campaigns to manage campaigns and workflows for different products or teams. Workspaces enhance data security, streamline marketing activities, and maintain data integrity across various departments or business units. Streamlined integration capabilities. Integrations have been moved to organization level, where only the admin has the authority to perform integrations and syncs. And revamped roles and privileges. Zoho Campaigns now provides 4 default roles: admin, manager, editor, and viewer, and allows admins to create custom roles with specific privileges. You can see how huge this list of all of the updates in Zoho is. If you want to stay always up to date with all of the updates in Zoho CRM and all of the other apps, we have a Facebook group and LinkedIn group where we post Zoho news daily. All of the different updates, all of the different news, and we also share our experiences and build a community of Zoho lovers over Facebook and LinkedIn. So if you're interested, please make sure to check out the link down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please leave a like and write down in the comments below which of the updates are you waiting for. And please make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button, and we will see you in the next week's video.